Well, it's my joy and privilege to stand here with Abigail Bailey Carr and Taylor Eston Davis and celebrate this good day.
Taylor, I can't believe our wedding day is finally here. We've been talking and praying about it for so long, and now we get to enjoy it. I'm so grateful for our love story and all the people who have played a part in it. From being just acquaintances to friends to dating, I always knew that we would get married one day. I'm glad you finally caught up to me.
The love both of you share for one another is truly evident. Abigail, we may not have hit the jackpot in Vegas like we always hoped, but Taylor, he definitely hit the jackpot with you.
To our beautiful daughter, Abigail, you stole our hearts the day you were born, and we couldn't be prouder of the woman you've become.
Abigail, from the moment I met you, I knew something about you was different. You captured my curiosity, and I couldn't let it go. After all that time of being acquaintances to friends, and then to someone who I knew I couldn't live without, you make me feel loved and supported like I've never had before. You brought a light into my world, a peace into my heart, and a real meaning into everyday life.
We couldn't imagine a better guy for our daughter, and you know how much you mean to our family. We love you, Taylor.
There are so many reasons why I'm honored and excited to marry you. You are kind, selfless, thoughtful, and endlessly supportive. I love the way you love me, the way you love your friends and family, and how you love so many little things that bring you joy. You have the kindest soul of anyone I've ever known, and you make me a better person.
I've known Taylor for a little over a couple of decades now. Taylor's got some really great husband qualities to him. You know, he's a real hype man. He's always got your back. He's very supportive.
I can honestly say I've never seen Abigail so happy. I couldn't be happier for you both.
Hi.
Hi. How are you? You look so nice.
Well, so do you.
Thank you. You like my dress?
Can't get
You
words.
can't speak,
No.
I know. It's okay. I love you.
Love you too.
Taylor, Abigail, build your home and your family upon love. And the best kind of love is found in the scripture in 1 Corinthians chapter 13. Secondly, I would say, be each other's best companions. You have some beautiful friends here. Now, I know they love you, but be each other's best friend. I would remind you to dedicate your home to your Lord and use your life together for His purpose. Use your home for His purpose. And I trust God will bless you with long life together.
You like it?
So beautiful.
Thank you.
I love it. You're gorgeous.
Thanks, Dad.
Love you.
Love you too.
Today I stand before you not just to say I do, but as a promise of a lifetime of I will. You are my heart, my home, and my forever.
I promise to always listen to you, encourage you, and remind you of how special you are.
I promise to be your strength when you feel weak, your calm in the chaos, and your laughter in times of sadness and uncertainty.
You are my best friend and my favorite person. There's nobody else I'd rather have with me through all the good times and the bad times. I know that God has put us together for a reason, and I can't wait to spend the rest of our lives together, and I'm so excited that that starts today.
I know I say all the time that I'm blessed to have you, not just lucky. I mean that with all my heart. God truly has given me the best woman any man could have asked for.
It is by the authority of God and the laws of this state that I declare that Taylor and Abigail are husband and wife, and you may now kiss your bride.
Abigail and Taylor are so excited for everybody to be here on their special day. The two of you are just a perfect match for each other. You know, I see what Taylor can bring to you with his support and with his kind heart, and what you can bring to him, you know, just keeping him grounded and keeping him level. And, you know, we've been waiting for this day for a really long time, and, you know, just so thrilled.
I've watched Abigail and Taylor's relationship grow into something truly special. Well, Abigail, this is your day, and you found the kind of love we always dreamed of. My best friend, my sister, I couldn't be happier for you both. So let's raise a glass. Cheers to Abigail and Taylor.